Give me a little video of this. This is a Frigadaire. Data sheet. 150-volt, 60 hertz, single phase, 12,100 BTs, 12.12 seer. I can't turn it on. Oh yeah, I can't turn it on. Is the wrapping still on it? Oh, the wrapping's still not on it. Kind of dirty. This is my Dia made unit. This is just actually the made by my Dia unit. Mine we have a higher, or this one's made by higher. Maybe we have a my Dia one. So like, these things are different. One of these things are, well, these things are supposed to be over here. And then these units right here, they're supposed to be, and it's still in the window too. It's like only like months from now. I can't turn it off for y'all. I can't turn it on because, I mean, this is my cut. Oh my god, that scared me. This is my cousin's room. I mean, I don't know if they're gonna have an AC in their room. It's just a casement window. Chromebook. HP Chromebook.